Welcome back to camp. Right here we have 8 of the 10 calves in the 4th pasture. I go out to the herd twice a day. This gets them used to the quad bike, and I also sit on the grass and encourage them to come up to me. Whilst their instincts are to stay away from me, they fear danger. What I'm doing is I'm actually starting my training off on the calves early, so they get used to me being around them. You'll see this towards the end of the video. This little dark boy here is the friendliest little calf we have. Very inquisitive. Any sharp moves by me, he'll back away real fast. But that's quite remarkable actually. Hey guys. So we've still got 10 calves on the ground. And I reckon we've probably got 5 very pregnant heifers. Very inquisitive. Hey guys, there's 208. She's our next mum. She 24 hours ago she had clear liquid coming out. Milk bar's ready. She's very swollen. On any of these trips out here I've expected to see a calf on the ground, but not yet. What do you think, guys? 214. She's got a little calf here. Number 7, your baby's here too. Yes. Okay. When are you having your baby? When are you going to have your baby, kid? When are you going to have a baby, kid? You going to have a baby, kid? You know you? Let's have a look. Yep, very and very swollen there. When are you going to have your little baby? You know? When are you going to have your little baby? It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is definitely the best time of the afternoon to check out the babies. What do you think? Hey? What do you think, guys? Hello. Come on. Anyway, this is another little short video. Here he comes. Such a cutie, this boy. 8 boys, 2 girls. So I come out to the calves twice a day, in the morning, at this time, the afternoon, and I usually bring the mums some citrus or something. And I like to get up close to them. This one's about a foot away now. Almost sniffing me. Hey little cuties. They're all coming around now. They all want to know what's going on here. What's this strange fellow on the ground? What's this strange fellow on the ground? Hey guys. Some gas going down up there. Hey kids. Sun's a bit bright in the background. What are you doing out there, sweetie? There's the two little heifers right in front of us. These guys here. All the rest are males. This little guy's licking me now. Okay, you can taste me. Little girl, I should say. Little girl, hey, here's your mum. This mum in the background, 12. Hey mama. Anyway, there's 5 in that little group there. Just move around a little bit. My legs out, move my foot, that'll get them interested. They can't work that out. Our foot being moved around. Yawn there, kid. Oops. Anyway, I'd better go and leave him alone. Anyway, you stick with us this long, you obviously like calves. I like to get up personal with the calves. Now I'll just stand up and see what they do. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.